Wait and analyze. Malawi is following and it's lying between Tanzania, Mozambique and Zambia. Just focus on that. Welcome everyone to the Plutus IS. Today we'll discuss about the PYQs based on the geography. So what I have taken the question based on the continents, how we can solve the question just by observing the maps of the continent. For example, if I talk about the first one, which is the largest continent in the world, this is the questions which have come in a lot of competitive exams. So just focus on that. The first is saying Asia, Africa, Europe and North America. For example, you do not know any of them. Then what you can do, you can just look at the map of them and observe the maps. That's why I have been focusing a lot from the previous slides also that how important is to observe the maps. The first one you can see that the biggest one is Asia. This is the biggest one, and rest of them you can see how small they are: Europe, Africa, Australia, North and South America. So by the observation only you can just detect that okay, Asia is the answer of that. Okay, the first answer is A. Next question that we have, which of the following lakes does not belong to Asia? Now when you look at the continents, it's very important that you look at the lakes, sea, oceans, mountains and also the neighboring countries if they have any of the continents. Why it is important? Because when you're studying the continents, UPSC picks the question out of there only. You can't just look at the area etc., but also some details that you have to focus, right? This is one of them. The first is asking Caspian, Baikal, Aral and Malawi. So if I look at the map, then I can clearly see that Caspian Sea is lying here, right, in the Asia. Malawi is also the where it is near to the Mozambique, Tanzania and Zambia. So we can look at the African continent and we can clearly see and look at the Malawi in between. So this is Malawi, right? So this is the odd one out and this is in Asia. Caspian is in Asia. Then we have the Aral Sea. Aral Sea lies in the Central Asia. It's also the part of the Asia. So once we know that which one is odd, which is the Malawi. So which of the following lakes does not belong to the Asia, which is Malawi is the right answer, which is your option D, right? Where is Caspian? It is in Asia, right? Then you have Baikal. It is in Russia. Then you have Aral Sea. It is in Central Asia. There has been a question based on the Aral Sea in the UPSC PYQ. Now, when you know that these are the options which has been asked in the UPSC PYQ, then you do not have to just focus on the right answer. Also, you have to do the detailed analysis of all the options. For example, if I have the Caspian Sea, now what you will see? You will look at the neighboring countries of the Caspian, the countries which are surrounding the Caspian Sea. In the Baikal also you will do the same thing. In the Aral Sea also you will do the same thing. For example, I'll show you how. If I take the Caspian Sea, now I have to focus on which are the neighboring countries. For example, this is Caspian. Now I'll take which are the surrounding countries. This is Turkmenistan. Then I have Kazakhstan. Then here I have on the left side Russia, right? That's how you have to focus. This is Azerbaijan and here I have Iran. Okay? So that's how you have to focus. Now, if Malawi has come, then you don't have to just stick to the right answer. Okay, Malawi is the right answer. Now I should switch to the next question. Wait and analyze. Malawi is following and it's lying between Tanzania, Mozambique and Zambia. Just focus on that. Okay, next question we have, which among the following desert does not belong to the Asia? The first option is Arabia, Gobi, Sahara and the last is Thar, right? Now, what is the right idea? The right idea is to Go and look at your atlas where the Sahara Desert is, Thar is, Arabia Desert is. So first map I have is of Arabian Desert, which is lying where? It is lying in the Saudi Arabia. Okay. And also it is covering the other nations also, other part. For example, it is touching the Yemen, Oman, Iraq, Kuwait, Jordan. So also focus on that. Do not forget the small details which the UPSC is focusing. Right. Now, next we have what? We have the Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert has been the main topic for the UPSC because a lot of question has been framed out of it. The first one is the Sahara Desert is passing from where? The first is Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali, right, and some parts of Eritrea. So these are the countries from which the Sahara Desert is lying, and then you can easily detect. Now the Gobi, where is Gobi Desert? It's forming the what? A kind of a boundary only, right? For example, it is lying in Mongolia and it is falling in China as well, right? And Thar, obviously, we know that where is Thar? It is in India. So, which of the following desert does not belong to the Asia? So, the right answer of it is Asia. So, what we have in Asia? We have the Arabia Desert, that's true. Then we have Gobi, that is also true. We have Thar, that is also true. The answer is C. Sahara is not in the Asia, it is in African continent, right? All right. The next question we have is, which is the highest mountain in Africa? Now, they are particularly asking about the one continent, which is Africa. So, the question is, which is the highest mountain? The first option is Atlas, Mount Elgon, Mount Kenya, Mount Kilimanjaro. Now, we know that Kenya is the one of the country of the African continent only, right? Now, we'll look at the detailed map of Africa. So, here it is Atlas. So, Atlas is falling where? It is here. This is the parts of the Atlas, right? So, we can clearly see it is where? In the African continent. Now, next is Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is in Tanzania. As I told you, Kenya is one of the country. So, Mount Kenya lies in country Kenya, right? But the question is asking which is the highest mountain peak. So, the highest one is Mount Kilimanjaro. And where is Mount Elgon? Mount Elgon also lies in near Eastern Africa part only. So, the right answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. D is the right option. So, this is how you have to focus on all the PYQ, especially based on the continents, because they are the low hanging fruits and you can easily get the answers by just observing the maps. So, this is how you have to focus on all the PYQ. I'll get the detailed PPTs of how you have to approach different topics, themes of the geography, and then you can practice them.